Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to turn off discovery on Tinder. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder app and after that go and click on profile on the bottom right of the screen. After that go and click on settings icon on the top right of the screen and scroll down until you will find an option called Enable Discovery. And here you should know that when turned off, your profile will be hidden from the card stack and discovery will be disabled. People you have already liked may still see and match with you. So to turn it off, you have just to click on it and after that click on Disable Discovery. And like that, discovery is disabled and only the people that you already liked may see your profile on Tinder. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.